Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how we can install Phantom Wallet on Chrome. To install Phantom Wallet application on your Chrome, first of all, open up your Chrome web browser on your computer. Soon after you open it up, go to the search box at the top and type in phantom.app and search. You will then end up in the official website for Phantom. Click on the Download for Chrome link appearing at the bottom of the screen, and it'll take you to Chrome Web Store, from where you can download the Phantom extension. Click the Add to Chrome button right next to the app and click on Add Extension in the pop-up above. Now wait for the download to complete. Your download progress will be shown at the top right corner. After the extension is downloaded, your Phantom extension will be added to your Chrome web browser. Now you will be able to see the Phantom Wallet appearing on your Chrome. To pin the application on your Chrome web browser, go to the extension button at the top right from your Chrome and then click on the pin button right next to Phantom. Now you will be able to add the extension at the top right corner on your toolbar. After opening up a web browser, simply click on the extension and you will then be able to open up Phantom Wallet extension for Chrome. So that is how you can easily install the Phantom Wallet on your Chrome toolbar. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.